Hi, welcome to Mini Medi. Today's meditation actually is going to be specifically on money. I've recently been doing some other meditations and money keeps getting brought up. It's important to know that how you do money is how you do life. So it's important to get to a place that you have a healthy relationship with money. And that's where I'm going to put a little bit of this focus on. A lot of people get freaked out when it comes to the topic of money. It's so emotionally charged. And there are certain people that will never attract large amounts of money because of their attitudes about money. So you don't want to have a negative attitude about money. So that's where you need to start your journey if you need to heal your relationship with money. So think of money as just another energy. And it is something in our society we do need. A lot of people get like in these weird stuck places, and it's understandable because of religion or money breeds evil, and it says, in the Bible warns against loving money and don't do that, and pious life is the right life, and things along that nature that are not telling the whole story. So that's the thing. You have to learn about life, and even a lot of media or trash, I call them trash magazines like the National Enquirer, they really they kind of people exaggerate the truth, and then there's actually people who lie. So you have people who exaggerate the truth, and it's misleading, or it's just telling a little a little snippet of something said, but not taking it out. They're taking it out of context. People do that all the time. You've seen it in your own life. And then you do have like the National Enquirer that totally just makes stuff up. So they're very, a lot of people are very immoral in their reporting, and they just don't care because they just care about getting a story to make money. So again, money can be, have a bad rap. And then, a lot of people do think money breeds evil. Well, it can, because there's a lot of sick, disturbing people in the world doing really bad things and hurting people. So this is your responsibility. If you see anybody hurting anybody, or even if you suspect, man, get on that. Call the cops. Even if you're wrong, who cares? A lot of people aren't stepping up, so you gotta, you're a little guilty yourself if you don't freaking do the right thing. So that's my opinion, and I may be right or wrong. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. I'm speaking what I feel is my truth, and I do have a right under the amendments to do that. And I'm also very mindful of where I place my words most of the time, because I do believe, in what I say does either help me or heal me. So if I'm hurting other people, I'm hurting myself. And there is that part of me I know is true. Like if I ever walked into a room and I seen someone hurting a baby, a child, or an animal, yeah, I'm gonna snap. Just letting you know right now. I would not care if it meant jail time for me. I would not care. And I would not stop to think, oh, that person must have had a bad childhood, or must have. Nope. You're going down because I see you doing things that are unforgivable, and I'm okay with going to prison for making sure that you never do that again. And that's that. I'm going to end it. Even saying things like that, I'm like, oh, but it's true. I mean, I'm pretty sure, but I can't be positive, but I'm pretty sure it would not end well for them. And, my heart just bleeds for horrific things being done to little babies, little boys, little girls, women, men, all kinds of horrible, inhumane things are going on in the world, and it's so hard. It's so hard because that is happening. There's so much evil, and how do we get like what we want out of life? And I'll tell you again, money. I would, the more money you have, the more good you can do. That's all I'm saying. That's why I enjoy money, is because when the more money I have, the more money I can do good. You're not going to be able to save everybody, unfortunately. Life includes bad things, and money is not evil. Money can be perceived in that way, but that's not the whole story about money. Maybe the people who want you to think that just want more for themselves, but money keeps a roof over our head, right? Money feeds us. Money is good to have to pass on to others, your children or your church organizations, the things like water for people who don't have clean water, wells, Ryan's wells, I believe. People who are going through hard times, they need money. So give what you have. You always have something, but money is a blessing. Okay, so money can bless other people. So just start to think of money in a healthy way. Money breeds healing. I like that. Money breeds healing. So even when you say the word money, start feeling positive healing emotions and a good money vibe. So attract money to help heal the world, because money does heal. Money does heal. So do not think that if you were born poor that you need to remain poor. It's the status quo. I think we all need to start thinking about the status quo more, because we settle for disturbing government, we settle for disturbing life, we settle for disturbing communities, and now is a good time to start telling ourselves another story on how things can look. I'm very proud of a lot of positive things going on now, because if you pay attention, you'll see there actually is there's a lot of people that are doing amazing things with the money that they have. They're not just hoarding it, but a lot of people are stepping up and giving so much and helping other people, and I just see that every day and see people doing good things for small businesses. Even The View, if you look at The View, they're trying to help people through the pandemic, people with small shops trying to have a business, trying to do things and make good purchases, buy American. Do the right thing. It's not always easy or the fastest, but money is blessing so many people right now. Some of these GoFundMe page are just beautiful. And there's that new thing where so many people are getting into this challenge and making all these desks for kids who are doing homeschooling and basically doing school online, and they needed desks for at home, and all these amazing people are stepping up and building these lovely desks for at home, and it's just been so supportive. And so you can use your skills, you can use your time, you can use your talent, and the more money you have, the more money you can share, and that is a beautiful thing. So just start thinking of money in an empowering way and have a happy, healthy relationship with money. So we're going to do a quick meditation on money. Oh, so we're going to take 3 deep breaths. Today I'm open to receiving money. If I play the lottery, I imagine winning. Every dollar that I have, I think, how can I help someone else with this dollar? I can donate it. I can look around and find 5 shirts that I don't wear anymore and donate them to a church that will just give them away. I do look for avenues that will give my products, to give it freely and just let go and gift it rather than a place that's going to sell it. But if that's the case, then that's the case. But I prefer to just give my stuff away freely to others and to organizations that will be giving away to people who really need a helping hand. I have positive, healthy pride in giving. All that I have away, all that I give returns to me. I see that all the time. I attract money and money likes me. I have a healthy relationship with money here and now. I attract money today. Large amounts of money comes to me. I have more than I need. And I enjoy that gift of sharing money. I have enough to support myself and to provide a luxurious life for myself, a life of all that I desire, of travel, a beautiful home and beautiful interior, beautiful couch, lovely entertainment center, and I appreciate these things. I appreciate all that I can buy and all that I can provide for others. I am blessed and all that I have multiplies. I give in love and I receive in love, and I give thanks to the divine universe, and money is a blessing. I am blessed. I am abundant. Money flows to me freely, and I extend my hands and appreciate all the money that's coming to me. And heaven is expansive, and I give all energy of money that I have into the universe, and it flows in and through me. Money ebbs and flows in my life richly now, and so it is that I am empowered to allow this here now. I have vast supplies of money flowing in and out into the universe, back to me. And that is the cycle, and it repeats. And large sums of money come to me today, and I'm open to receive it now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. And today, just go out into the world and be prosperous and prospered, and know that you have the ability to attract all the money that you need. So whatever amount that is that you want to attract into your life, you remember, what is it for, and what's the energy it's going to bring. So if you want to travel, that is like a good thing, because you want to travel so you can learn more and expand who you actually are, whether it's in your mind, of your culture, and just enjoyment. So the more money you have, the more you can enjoy life, and the more money you can give and to help other people enjoy life, or even have their basic needs, because that's where it starts. Everyone has to have their basic needs met in order to move forward and actually feel joy. So be part of that stepping stone for other people. And you have a beautiful, giving, heartfelt day. I'll see you next time.